Hello children, today I am going to teach you a rag doll. Doll with the all rag material. Just see the material very carefully. Look at this. Jute rope, needle thread, rag cloth, कोई भी वेस्ट पुराना कपड़ा, कॉटन क्लॉथ होना चाहिए. This is for skin. Tape, any tape, plier and scissor, wire. This is waste electricity wire and this is iron wire, cotton roll and waste cotton. Okay, let me start. First I am going to teach you how to cut the wire. We cut it with the nose plier. Look at this. And this is another wire you can buy from the hardware shop. It's a 24 number wire. You tell them to give you 40 rupees, 50 rupees का थोड़ा सा wire दे देंगे. See, take the wire 18 inch and 8 inch. 8 inch for arms and 18 inch for head to feet. ठीक, we make it double. 18 inch का wire को double किया. Then we twist it. The legs. These are the arms. We make it double. Look at this. Now crisscross. Left to right, right to left. दोनों को cross कर दिया and just press it. Make it hard. It's very interesting toy. You will make this at home. This is our armature ready. Now we take our jute rope, put little bit Fevicol on it. Just crisscross, left to right, left to right. Now another cross, right to left, right to left. Now we just wrap this jute rope all over the wire. Body, legs, arms, head, everywhere. After this, we wrap our rag cloth. So you can take any cotton cloth, maybe mama's dupatta, कोई cotton साड़ी, papa's turban, कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं. Take a strips. Color is not important. You can take any color. ये सब छुप जाएगा अंदर doll में. See, my blue color is finished, so I start with the blue maroon color. Little bit Fevicol and we paste this. Now we just cut the strips of cotton roll, all 1.5 inch. You can cut so many strips, like 7-8 strips. See, now I'll wrap it with the thread. And I put my thread on a container because roll always run here and there, so it will stable. See how to wrap the cotton. We have to cover the whole body, arms, legs, head, neck, body, everywhere. Look at this. This is shoes area. No, this is not perfect. I think okay. I'll put it like this way. It's a complete with feet and a leg. The head. Now I just take a skin color cloth and giving final touch to the face. We cut little bit sellotape strips already, and we paste with the sellotape. Take masking tape, sellotape, whatever you have. Even any color tape also, no problem. But tape must be strong. See, now we are going to start making his dress. I took 18-inch cloth and उसका अर्ज कंप्लीट होगा 18 इंच जस्ट लेंथ. जैसे 1 मीटर आधा मीटर लेते हैं तो आपने 18 इंचेस लेना है. एंड वो पीस में वी मेक अ स्क्वायर. ट्रायंगल कट किया, ट्रायंगल करा तो वो एक स्क्वायर आपको मिल जाएगा. और जो साइड पीस बच गया वी मेक trouser with that. Now with this triangle we are going to make a coat his dress. See, एक design रखकर I just make a square. Now we fold this. All four sides, because my cloth is very thin. It's a woolen cloth but thin. We need thick cloth for this, like falalan or any fur cloth. Actually we are making Eskimo, so they used to wear thick clothes. I'll just stitch all four sides. My cloth is ready. Now make it double. Okay, we make 3 pieces out of this. So how we make 3 pieces? Just watch this very carefully. It's the arms, arm portion के लिए मैंने लाइन लगाया. I just cut complete fold with arm, but upper layer I'll cut separate. क्योंकि आर्म फोल्ड होने के बाद बैक में कपड़ा बच जाएगा ना. वी मेक दिस कोट जैकेट एंड दिस इज आर्म. सो आई जस्ट कट अ स्लिट एट द बैक क्योंकि नेक बनाना है मुझे. Okay, and we stitch this way. Neck fold कर दिया मैंने. First I'll just make the shoe and hands gloves, because Eskimo is living in a cold area, so they wear gloves and everything. See, thread is very important and you must take a strong thread. With this piece I'll make a scarf वो जो ऊपर रखा है. See, I just staple this, neck fold किया and I'll staple this. Now see how to stitch arms. First we put the thread in needle and put the knot at the back of the thread, and after that we start stitching, and we have to do only simple running stitch. Every child knows how to do running stitch. I just complete both the arms. Till end we must stitch this. Now that separate piece जो फर्स्ट स्ट्रिप में हमने कट करा था स्क्वायर के पास, तो उस कपड़े को डबल किया एंड वी जस्ट कट इट फ्रॉम द सेंटर ओनली अप टू लेग्स. ये ऊपर का पोर्शन जहाँ पे हम लोग बेल्ट लगाते हैं एंड दीज टू आर लेग्स नीचे. तो फर्स्ट वी स्टिच आर लेग पोर्शन. अभी मैंने इसका ट्राउज़र नहीं स्टिच किया. फर्स्ट आई स्टिच द लेग. पोंचू बोलते हैं जिसको, तो नीचे जहाँ से फोल्ड होता है. All running stitch. See, both the legs are ready. See, अब इसको फोल्ड कर दिया. स्टिचिंग में आपको थोड़ा सा मम्मा का हेल्प लेनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि आप लोगों को अभी आती नहीं है स्टिचिंग. अगर आपके पास आपकी पुरानी डॉल के कोई क्लोथ्स पड़े हैं, आप वो भी पहना सकते हैं. You will enjoy to make this doll, and it's not compulsory we have to make every time Eskimo. You can make anything, boy, girl, uncle, auntie. And because of wire, it's flexible doll. It can stand, it can sit, walk, in any position we can put. See, almost complete. This trouser is ready. So sweet. Now put the legs. You really enjoy when you make this doll. You feel so happy because I am really enjoying to make this. This I staple it. You can stitch this also. From the back we make it up. First we make a scarf. वो मैंने उसका सारा thread needle निकाल दिया. We fold it and we have to do just running stitch on this fold, but I am going to do the staple. Is it? So first I stitch the coat front. आर्म्स में जो स्टिचिंग हमने किया है दैट इट्स विजिबल, तो मे बी इफ़ यू फील ऑड यू कैन पेस्ट any lace, any ribbon on it, so it will be it's become a design. See, scarf. Her doll face and everything is ready. Now this trouser I feel it's too loose. तो मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ इसमें, I'm going to cut one strips and staple here. And just watch. I took 2 strips. This orange cloth is Falalan cloth. It's a thick cloth. You will get it from home. मामा का विंटर्स के जो हमारे ट्राउज़र्स होते हैं, पुराना कोई भी ट्राउज़र अगर घर में है, पजामा मामा का या किसी का भी, आप लोगों की अपनी ड्रेस में से, आप उसमें से इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सी, नाउ वी टेक 2 googly eyes and we paste. Just see how I paste. Take a Fevicol, just little bit Fevicol and this. Then you take a marker. Don't take sketch pen. Take any marker and draw the eyebrows and ears. You can make hair with the wool also. आप अगर आपके पास ऊन है ब्लैक कलर का या डार्क ब्राउन, तो आप उससे भी बनवा सकते हैं. See, doll is ready. I hope you all enjoy to make this. Okay, bye bye.